Hey everybody, this is John White, your Palm Springs Realtor, and I'd love to show you this exceptional property here in the Las Palmas Heights neighborhood. Behind the gates of this lovely home is over 5,000 square feet of living space featuring a master bedroom you can live in, and 3 ensuite guest bedrooms. The pass-through fireplace separates the spacious living room from the gracious dining room with an Art Deco chandelier. And speaking of dining, you can prepare your meals in the chef's kitchen with more storage than you can even imagine. Everything in this home is custom, from the cabinets to the floors and so much more. Comfort and luxury are key here with an automated sliding door that overlooks the front-loaded pool and spa. There is so much more for you to see in this spectacular home, so give me a call today and we'll set up your own private tour.